Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing this mouth-watering carrot buns recipe with you guys, and I hope you did find this recipe helpful. So guys, let's jump into this recipe as I take you through the list of the ingredients and measurements. So guys, for this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 cups all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, so guys, right now I'll go ahead and add in a pinch of salt, and I will add in some fresh grated nutmeg to give these buns a nice flavor. So right now I'll go ahead and mix my dry ingredients together, and I will set this aside. So right here I have 3 tablespoons melted butter, and I have 3 tablespoons evaporated milk, which I just mixed with a little bit of water. And also I do have my carrot, which I'm going to be using to making my carrot buns. So right now I'll go ahead and add my carrot into the blender, and I'm going to be blending this into a smooth paste. So after blending my carrot, I will transfer this into a bowl, and I will get my dry ingredient ready and start mixing my butter. So I will get in the carrot into my flour, and I'll go ahead and add in my melted butter. And at this point, I'll go ahead and start adding my milk gradually. You don't want to add this all at a time so you don't end up having a runny batter. So just go ahead and add in your mixture of milk and water bit by bit so you don't have a runny mixture, as the carrot is already wet. So I will go ahead and mix this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And if you notice your batter is runny, do feel free to go ahead and add in a little bit flour to thicken this up. So guys, right now we'll keep on mixing the batter until I'm okay with the consistency. So this is what my mixed batter look like. It's not runny and it's not very thick. So at this moment I'll go ahead and cover it with my clean kitchen towel for about 5 to 8 minutes while I preheat my oil. So right here I have my frying pot in the fire, and I'm just going to add in my frying oil. You can go ahead and use any oil of your choice to fry your carrot buns. So right now I'll preheat my oil, and I will wet my pan that I'm going to be using to scoop the buns. So this is an example of how you can use your hand to scoop in your buns into your hot oil. So guys, at this moment I'm just going to drop in a little butter into the oil to check if my oil is ready to do the job. And as you can see, the oil is bubbling. That shows that your oil is ready to fry your buns. So for scooping of the buns, I'm going to be using my ice cream scoop to get the size of the buns that I want. So I'll dip my ice cream scoop inside oil, and I will start scooping this into my frying oil. So you can go ahead and scoop in any size that you want. If you want your buns big, you feel free to do that. If you want it small, feel free to go for the size that you want. And at this moment my oil is on a high heat because I don't want my buns to come out soggy. So guys, I will go ahead and keep on scooping the batter into the oil, and I will make sure that I don't overcrowd my pots so that they have enough space to fry and get cooked evenly. So while the buns is cooking, I'll go ahead and use my skewer to flip this around so the other side will also get cooked. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Thank you for stopping by. If it's your first time, you're welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. Please, if you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to click on that like button. Drop me a comment if you have any question you would like me to give an answer to. And also, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do feel free to click on that red subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I post interesting and delicious recipes like this. Thank you once again for clicking on this video, and I do hope you enjoy making your carrot buns, as you are going to love this, and I bet you are not going to enjoy your buns any other way without adding carrots into the recipe. So guys, I will allow these buns to keep on cooking and until it is golden brown. So guys, at this moment you can notice that my buns is golden brown and it is ready to go off the oil. So I will just use my sieve to take these buns out from the oil and allow it to drain up all the excess oil. Thank you once again for stopping by. I hope you do enjoy this recipe, and see you again on my next recipe. Do have a lovely day. Do have a beautiful day. And don't forget to drop me your feedback, letting me know if you did find this recipe helpful. And also do check me out on Instagram at Lydia Isaac TV for more recipes and any questions you like to ask privately. Thank you very much guys. Till I see you again on my next recipe. Do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.